Hey everyone! Today we're taking a first look at the Suzuki SV-7GX and asking the big question, is it worth your money? On paper, it sits in that sweet middle ground between comfort and sporty performance. And it definitely turns heads the moment you see it. The engine feels smooth and responsive, with enough punch for highway rides but still friendly for daily commuting. What surprised me most is how balanced the chassis feels, especially when leaning into corners. Suzuki has clearly aimed this bike at riders who want versatility without giving up fun. The tech is modern enough, with a clean display and useful riding modes, but not overloaded with gimmicks. However, it's not perfect, and the seat could be more comfortable on longer trips. So is it worth your money? If you want a practical yet exciting mid-weight bike, the SV-7GX deserves a serious look. But if ultimate comfort or hardcore performance is your priority, you may want to compare options first. Overall, first impressions are strong, and this could be one of Suzuki's most well-balanced bikes yet.